Hey guys, here we go. The mini number 4 for the Stanley Cup Flames jersey. We've got Tracy, Blair, Dusty, and Brent in this one, so we will take the list, bring it over into here. Description: Flames Cup jersey 4. Alright, we will head back over here. Live. Let's timestamp that. It is 2:11 p.m. Alright, roll the dice. We got 12 times. 12 rolls. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's go in. Last roll. Time 12:12. And congrats to Dusty and Tracy. There are 2 winners. I'll copy the link. Done. And I will post the video here shortly. Thanks so much, everybody.